This is Sachi Maheshwari and I have been associated with Test Prep Card for so many years. So today I'm here with another video of mine which is all about the digital SAT exam. Today in this video we'll discuss each and every minor detail regarding the SAT exam so that you can learn how you can crush the whole math section of the digital SAT, because today we are really going to in the depth of the math section of the digital SAT exam, so that you will learn how you can crush the whole math section, how you can score in the math section, what is the exam layout, what is the syllabus, etc, etc. So we'll discuss each of this point one by one. So let's just begin with the exam layout and especially about the math section of the digital SAT exam. Okay, so let me tell you guys, in the whole math section you will receive total 44 questions, and these 44 questions are divided into two different sections. That means you will receive 22 questions in each of the math section along with a timer of 35 minutes. That means what? You need to cover the first 22 questions of the very first section in the first 35-minute slot. Then you have to cover the next 22 questions of the second section in the next 35-minute slot. So in total, basically, you need to solve 44 questions in the 70 minutes time slot. Okay, so this is about the exam layout. Now, moving ahead, like what kind of questions you are going to have in this math section of the digital SAT. So basically, you are going to receive two different kinds of question in the digital SAT math section. The very first one is known as the MCQs. Of course, as its name suggests, they are the multiple choice questions. So for each of the question, you will receive four different options. So what you need to do, you just need to pick the correct option and you just need to mark it and then move ahead to the next question. But talking about the next kind of question, that is called grid type question. So here in this kind of questions you will not find any options. Rather than that, you have to find the correct answer and then you have to feed your correct answer to the grid. That is why they are known as the grid type questions. Okay, so these are the two different kinds of questions that you need to learn about the math section of the digital SAT exam. Now, moving ahead with the syllabus. So basically, these 44 questions belongs to four different modules, and these four modules are, the very first one is called algebra, and it is one of the most important module of the whole syllabus. Why so? Because 35% of the content lies from this single module only. 35% means what? Around 13 to 15 questions out of those whole 44 questions are going to lie from this very first module, algebra. So of course it makes this really important. And so do is the second module. Why so? Because the name of the second module is advanced math, and also like we have the 35% questions from the very first module, similarly we have 35% questions from the second module. That means again 13 to 15 questions from the second module, advanced math as well. So of course these first two modules makes the 70% of the whole syllabus. Then moving ahead, third and fourth module are also equally important, and the third one is known as problem solving and data analysis. So 15% questions lies from there. That means on an average 5 to 7 questions we are going to receive from the third module, and similar is the case for the fourth one. So the fourth one is called trigonometry and geometry. So again we are going to have 15% questions from the fourth module. That means again on an average 5 to 7 questions from this module as well. So that is how in the math section of the digital SAT exam, the layout is designed, the syllabus is designed, and that is how they are divided into four different modules. So if you find this video useful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.